See, I'm discussing the topic about called redirection. There is two options. One is called 301, second one will be 302. 301 nothing but permanent redirection. One page to another page. Suppose I'm deleting one page. If anybody click that page, they're going to the another page. It's a permanent redirection. Nothing but we not lose the traffic that page. Second thing, nothing but temporary. Just only for 2 or 3 days purpose. Any for the other links. See here, you have the 3 links are there. If anybody clicking for tips, anybody click the tip, they're going to wear video tutorial. So previous I click the tips, they're going to wear website tips. Okay, but if I click this link, what is that? Tips. They're going to wear video tutorial. Is it clear? Just I show the option here. Go to blogger dashboard. Select your blog. Option call is settings. Go to the search preference. Here. Custom redirection. What is that? Custom redirection. Click for edit. Now guys, look here. Allow the black slash. If anybody click the tips, they're going to wear video tutorial. Done. So what the option is? Permanent nothing but 301. Temporary nothing but 302. This is only for temporary purpose. I'm not select the permanent option. Click for save. After that, save change. Now, just go to home page. I'm clicking what the option is. They go to which page? Video tutorial. I'm clicking for video tutorial. They're going to where? Where? Same option. Not for the tips. If you click the tips, they're going to the video tutorial. If you click the video tutorial also, they're going to the same page. Now just go to back, edit. Now delete, save change. Now if anybody click for tips, they're going to where? Tips page only. Is it clear? This is called redirection. The page will be deleted, maybe under maintenance. The temporary purpose, we can add to the other page. For permanent purpose, 301 we can use. Temporary purpose, we can use by the 302. See here, I can search for this domain, Rakesh SEO.co.in. If you click this link, they're going to where? My blog. This is called permanent redirection. This is called permanent redirection. Nothing but 301. So previously we discussed about the blog. I'll show here in my website. You can go to the login for cPanel. The option call is SEOservices.co.in/cPanel. This is my website. Rakesh SEOservices.co.in/cPanel. Click here. Just log in your email and username and password. So blogger, we can go option call is setting, search preference, custom redirection. Now here is my cPanel. Scroll down. What is that? Redirect. Now click. What is that? Permanent is 301. Temporary will be called 302. Go to the 301. Select your domain name. What is my domain name is? Rakesh SEO.co.in. Okay. Previous, if anybody click, they're going to where? So this is my domain. Yes or no? If you click, they're going to where? digitalrakesh.blogspot.in. So here. Here. There. Then what is that? Delete. Done. Now go back. Now just but they capture the back data. Just take the private browser. They are capturing my cookies. Yeah. They're going to where? My website. This is my website. Here. See. These are my website here. Previous they go to where? My blog spot. Now we'll go to the where? My website. So here, just the URL will be clicked. They're going to my blog here also. Copy this link. Go to the cPanel. That website called this domain. Redirect to here. 3 option. Double 3 redirection. Only for redirect with double 3. Without double 3 and with double 3. Now, do not double 3. And set for the second option. With and with. Without and with. Click for add. Done. Just go to private browser. Now. Then new website. What is that? Website promotiontips.blogspot.com. Is it clear? This is called redirection. Permanent and temporary redirection. Permanent nothing but 301. Temporary nothing but 302.